Hello, we are on the scene at the Miami International Boat Show, and I am here with Peter Truslow, who's going to tell us a little bit about this beautiful yacht we are standing in front of.
It's really nice to be here in Miami. The show is crowded, the weather's beautiful. We're in front of the 53Z, which is the largest of the MJM line, and it is new here at the Miami Boat Show because it's outboard powered. There's 4 Mercury outboards on this boat. You can also get it with Volvo IPS diesel, but this is the queen of our fleet, and we're very proud to show it to all the Florida customers.
Yes, it's obviously very gorgeous. What are some of the special features, aside from the immense power that we have here, inside? Could you tell us a little bit about what you can find?
Yeah, the big selling point of MJM are really 2 things. One, it's the incredible performance. The boat is just beautifully built. They're very fast. And then it's the one level, accommodation. The cockpit, the whole inside out salon area is just so practical. So you can close the boat for air conditioning in Miami in the summer, or you can just completely open it up. So it has the great combination you might see in a smaller center console with the luxury yacht appointments.
Yes, and you can definitely see that even just by looking at it. Definitely have to get down to the Miami International Boat Show to see this. If you can't make it in person, we do have an online option. We're doing walkthrough videos. We have photo and video for you available at MarineMax.com/online boat show. And, Peter, thank you so much for giving us a little piece of your time. Come down and say hi to Peter at the MJM display, and we hope to see you out on the water.